Let's start with you finding the most comfortable position for you. Now, relax your jaw if it is tight, your shoulders if they're hunched, and uncross your legs. Feel the sensation where your body touches the chair or your bed. Next, allow your eyes to gently close and begin noticing your breathing. Breathe deeply, filling your lungs with air, and breathe out. Gently place your palms on your stomach. Feel the rise and fall of your abdomen with each breath that you take. Good. Keep breathing in a way that is comfortable for you. Breathe in, calm and comfort. Breathe out any stress and tension you are feeling from the day. Just enjoy the feeling of calm and peace that is surrounding you now. Allow your breath to take you down deeper into a state where you are more deeply relaxed. Please notice that with every breath, you let go of a little more stress and any muscle tightness you were feeling. Breathe in to the count of three. One, two, three. Breathe out to the count of five. One, two, three, four, five. Let yourself go deeper and deeper into relaxation. Your body knows how to do this very well. Sink into the comfort with each breath that you take. In this calm, comfortable state, you will discover that there is a strong, powerful ability inside of you that will change how you view and approach money. In this state, your mind is increasingly open and receptive to a new way of viewing the role of money in your life. This new way will ensure you take the most effective steps to ensure you have enough money to live the type of life you wish to have. In this calm, comfortable, peaceful state, you will find within yourself the determination and persistence to work smart at activities that increase your wealth. As you see your wealth increasing, you will feel happy and pleased to be more financially secure. You will be comfortable being around other people who are financially secure, and you'll find ways to give back to the world that feel right for you. Your new identity is increasingly that you are a person who will make the right decisions for you to enable wealth to build up in your life. Some of your decisions will be made intuitively because you can trust yourself. And when you find areas where you need to learn more, you'll seek out trustworthy sources of help who will guide you to be smart about your money. You will increasingly find that you can clearly think through which actions to take and which paths to pursue to build wealth. You'll do this knowing that you can make the most difference in the world when you are strong and secure yourself. In this calm, peaceful state of mind, imagine yourself sitting by a pond. There is a bit of warmth on your face from the sun, a gentle, soothing breeze blowing, and some pleasant sounds like bird song. As you look into the gentle movement of the water in the pond, you notice that some leaves have fallen from a nearby tree into the pond, and you decide to put your old money words onto those leaves and let them drift away out of sight. On one leaf, there goes any shame you feel about having plenty of money when some other people don't have enough. Watch it float away. On another leaf, there goes any worry that money will change you because money makes people become bad or uncaring. There it goes, drifting along on the water, going out of sight. There is a leaf where you can put any concerns you have about people disliking you or being envious of you when you have plenty of money. Just let a leaf be pushed away by the gentle breeze. On another leaf, there goes any worry that you won't have the abilities you need to be financially successful. On another leaf, any other mindset blocks that get you away of being successful and happy about the role of money on your life. There are enough falling leaves to carry away all your worries about having plenty of money right now. Let all of these things go. Watch as the leaves carry those worries and obstacles away across the pond toward the river that will carry them even farther away to a place where they can't hold you back anymore. Enjoy this new sense of confidence. Now that those money worries have floated away, enjoy how it feels to be free and happy about money, confident that you will find every very good uses for the money, calm and certain that you will find powerful ways to contribute to the world with this money. Imagine yourself able to donate time or money to any cause you care deeply about. Picture yourself helping people you love because you can afford to be generous. Picture yourself helping people you love because you can afford to be generous. As you increase your wealth, you have the freedom to invest in new experiences and things. Allow yourself to be. Give yourself a moment to think about the places you plan to travel to, or pursue the activities that bring you the most joy. Envision the beautiful things you can buy because money is now a source of security and happiness. Let yourself feel the pride of being a financially independent and financially powerful person. You don't need to know exactly how you create the wealth you're building because you will always figure out how to find inspiration and motivation to take exactly the right actions for you. You enjoy unlocking your potential and trusting that your abilities are valuable in the world and will allow you to earn money above and beyond your needs. Your abilities and skills are enough for you to be wealthy. And anytime you doubt this, you'll look around the world and notice that lots of people who are far less capable than you have plenty of money and wealth. For just a moment, breathe in to the count of three and breathe out to the count of five, enjoying this increasing confidence and feeling freer and lighter now that your money worries have floated away toward the river. As you breathe in and out, tap your inner wisdom and intuition that will guide you into making the best decisions for you. This quiet, calm confidence will be accessible to you anytime you have doubts, because you can put yourself back in this frame of mind. You'll be able to remember that you're capable and persistent, and these qualities will serve you well. When you run into any obstacles in the path of your financial success, you'll find yourself being creative and resilient to solve those problems. You'll continue to persist through challenges because you know that challenges are a normal part of life. You'll use your talents and abilities to figure out what you need to do. As you build wealth, you'll find that you are still the same person with good intentions and values. Only now you'll have the money to make wonderful things happen. You'll be a force for good. As you become more and more financially successful, you'll forgive yourself for any money mistakes you have made in the past. You did the best you could then, and now you'll be much more effective with money because you are better and you have learned new skills and mindsets. Let any negative feeling about your past identity with money evaporate like mist blown away in the wind. All the suggestions from today are embedded in your unconscious mind and will increase in strength as you go through these words again. Anytime you need a confidence boost, you'll have these words to return to. You'll also have plenty of ability to give yourself the gift of relaxation anytime you choose. No matter what is going on around you or who you are with, you can find a time and a place to give yourself this gift. Anytime in the future you begin to feel lost or you start to feel stress about money, anytime you would like to feel a greater sense of control, of calm, of comfort, all you need to do is focus on your breathing to return to this calm and confident state. You can breathe in calm and comfort and breathe out stress and tension. Take another moment to enjoy how happy and confident you feel about money now. And when you're ready, I'm going to count backwards from five, and when I get to one, you'll be able to choose whether to be wide awake, alert, energetic, and ready to finish your day, or continue to be relaxed and cozy and ready to sleep soundly and save the energy for tomorrow. Whatever is best for you. Counting down now. Five, four, three, two, and one. Welcome back.